Hi, this is Kate with Kiss My Keto, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Refersion account so that you can track your sales and commission as a Kiss My Keto ambassador. The easiest way to get to Refersion would be going straight to the URL kissmyketo.refersion.com. And once you're there, the login button is in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and you're going to use the username and password that you submitted when you first applied to be a Kiss My Keto ambassador. If you don't remember what that is, shoot me an email and I will get back to you with it. So I already happen to be logged in, and once you log in, this is what you're going to see. Just a few things will be different, but this is your Refersion dashboard. So the information on the left is completely custom to you. You have your link and your coupon code. So with your link, for the first 30 days as an ambassador, any purchases made through your link will give you 10% commission. You don't even need to use a coupon code. So post it as many places as possible because it's basically an effortless way to make money. But before you do that, you're going to want to shorten this really long and ugly URL so you can easily paste it into any social profile or email blast that you're sending out. So the way to do that is by clicking copy right here, and it will give you a message that it's been copied. And then you're going to click shorten link, which is under link options. And Refersion is going to generate this short URL for you. I recommend putting it in your Instagram profile, on your blog, on your website, in your Facebook statuses, tweet it, wherever you reach the most people, because nobody needs a coupon code for you to get that commission. Another way that you can make commission for the first 30 days is by using this create link to a specific page option. So you can literally go to our site, select any page that you find interesting. So I happen to pick out this blog post called 6 Keto Chinese Food Recipe Ideas. And what you're going to do is copy the URL and then go back to your Refersion dashboard and click create link to a specific page. Paste in the link you copied and create a link. You can also shorten that link right here by clicking shorten. And you can post this link anywhere you want, and you will get commission if anyone makes a purchase on the Kiss My Keto site after clicking that link. So you don't even have to know the person. They don't even have to know you're associated with Kiss My Keto, as long as they make that purchase after clicking on your link. So that's a pretty cool thing, and that is for the first 30 days only. Below your link, you're going to see your coupon code, which is also completely custom to you. And this coupon code gives your customers 10% off, and it triggers Refersion to give you commission on whatever they buy. So that is pretty awesome. I will have tons of tips on promoting that throughout your time as an ambassador. Below that, you can easily post to social media through Refersion. You have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and then right here you can also even send an email out. Those are some easy shortcuts. And then on the right-hand side of the page, you have your financials, and that's going to show you how much your next estimated payment will be, any commissions you have in approval, and the total of any previous payments received. And if you want any more details on your financial history as an ambassador, you can go up to this payment history tab. Clearly right now, I don't have any, and considering I work at Kiss My Keto, I don't know if I will, but I'm sure you guys will have a lot in there. And then right here, the messages tab is going to give you guys announcements from us, maybe new exclusive releases, content. All of that information will also be in the Facebook page that we have for you guys. So I would still make sure to check this pretty regularly so that you're up to date on the status of your payments. The next tab is this reporting tab, and that is going to be a completely separate video. So for now, this is everything you need to know. If you have any questions whatsoever, never hesitate to reach out to me. My email is kate@kissmyketo.com. And I want to make sure that you have the most successful experience as possible as an ambassador. And I'm looking forward to working with all of you. Bye.